Welcome back, Q here, and today I'm going to be showing you another program. I have my Minecraft log analyzer here. I'm not going to run it because it takes a while, so I'm just going to explain what it is and how it works and the practical applications of it. I saw this video on YouTube one day, and I saw that it analyzed all your logs and calculated the playtime that you have spent in Minecraft. That was pretty interesting, I thought. So I decided to expand upon that and create a Minecraft log analyzer. This not only records the amount of playtime that you've actually spent in the game, but it also shows you any interesting information that you may find to be useful or entertaining, I guess. The operation steps are the same as any jar file. The HUD looks something like this. I mean the UI, what am I saying? Looks something like this. You can leave all of the stuff at the top blank, but the only stuff you really need to type in is terms you'd like to search for and the terms you would like to exclude. My analyzer looks for certain words or phrases inside of your Minecraft logs, and it searches for these terms. If it finds it, it then checks what the terms you've excluded and sees if it matches any of those, and if it does, then it doesn't. Then it just includes the whole thing altogether. But if it doesn't, then it'll be added to like a spreadsheet, or it'll be added to the file and printed to the console. And in this way, you can obtain some interesting information about, like, for example, when you played this game, or when you joined the server, or like how long was this server active. When you finally run the thing through and it analyzes your maybe hundreds or possibly thousands of log files, it'll go through each one looking for interesting terms, of course, and finally it'll export this beautiful spreadsheet right here. It'll look something like this. And this is basically a frequency graph based on what day it is and how frequently the term is mentioned on that day or in that log file. So on the very left, you can't really see it because it's so small. I shrunk all the cells to be very tiny so that you could see this. It automatically makes this, of course. On the left is the date, and on the right are all the search terms and the color, which is based on how frequent that term is mentioned. And so if you scroll to a particular cell, if you can see in the top right hand corner, it'll actually show you more detailed information. But it'll just show you like, oh, I joined like this server at this time, and then you can see the date range. Oh, that's interesting. Or you can say, oh, I played with this person for this amount of time, and you can find all instances of that person. Because most of the time, if you play with someone or you log into that server, the player's name or the server name will come up at some point, and that will be logged into the log files and recorded. It can be kind of be extracted to see some interesting insights about your life in Minecraft, I guess. I made this program to be super kind of flexible. So, for example, this can be applied to more than just Minecraft logs, of course. I just made it for Minecraft logs in this case because I have thousands of logs and I play Minecraft a lot, and I want to see some insights into that data that Minecraft stores. And of course, everything is automatically unzips all the log files, automatically prints out all the data, automatically generates a spreadsheet for you, automatically makes a file for you with all your data, all the interesting data at least. Some more interesting parts, you can basically turn this into any type of file analyzer, I guess. So it's kind of like component based. You can have different types of file treatment. You can have like standard file treatment, Minecraft file treatment. Just have to, I think this is an interface. Yeah, you just have to implement file treatment and then add it to, I think, Awesome File Analyzer, which is the name of the thing. You just have to add it to the awesome file visitor.java. So like right here, you would add like your own type of file treatment, and then you would add it right here. You can add the components in, you can add the analyzers in. Like you can add different types of analyzers, like how does it analyze this? For example, you could have it analyze certain different types of patterns. You could create your own type of analyzer. You just have to implement the interface analyzer and implement the interface file treatment. It will automatically do all the magic down here. And this is one of the first times I started using different type of syntax for curly brackets because it looks a lot more spaced out and more readable in my opinion. I don't know if I'm gonna stick with that or not, but yeah. So I have presets here. It's all component based, so you can swap out different components. You can have like a standard file treatment with Excel Analyzer, or like a Windows log file treatment with like, you can just mix and match parts, and that makes it really flexible. The important thing is that, I don't know why I didn't do this, but you actually have to include JXL added as an external library or something, or external jar, or add JXL 2612 as an important dependency. No, I have not used Maven or Gradle that much. Sorry, I guess. I'm getting used to it. This was a month ago. Yeah, that's interesting. You can download the program if you want here. MC Log Analyzer. I think that's all I have to show you today. Yeah, that's all. See ya.